Story points versus flow metrics. What's the difference? Did you know the Scrum Guide does not specify any measures? Scrum theory is silent about prescribing how teams can measure value and efficiency. Story points were a fabrication, providing a buffer for a team in which risk is wrapped into a guarantee that work will happen. Risk or not, they have become a staple tool for agile project management despite the inability to forecast when will this get done. Did you know that the application of Kanban requires the collection and analysis of a minimum set of flow measures? WIP, throughput, work item age, and cycle time. These measures are a reflection of Kanban system's current health and performance and will help inform decisions about how value gets delivered and provide a risk forecast to answer when will this work get done. Head over to the scrumfacilitators.com to find out how you can join us on a Kanban class and to learn more about how Kanban can help you deliver value.